Who here to receive what we have is on the baseball something. Yep, I know I had that. Like $19. It comes with everything except for the baseball plate and on the leash. Supposed to come at $5.09. It didn't come at free, but this came with one extension. But I just put these on for real off of the landmark. It look good. Blades, I want to buy new blades. They worked. I got them to work better than what they would. So Wall was in shoot. Wall was way less than what Woodburn did for. And yeah. So yeah. Looks okay. Wall say. But no, it's just came out at that gun like almost balanced. So can't tell. Some up, some down, some pitch one loose, kinda. I got it too. Me and Miss Wall, pretty damn man. You know what I mean? Barely models, so. I would say that's progress. It used to wobble low too. Looks like it don't now. Those were pretty good on camera. They're very impressive person with that table. It was still pretty bad, all of the boys. Listen, some of them perfect, but was just a little bit. Roman was not by much. I had really legit spread it's funny. Anybody's like a roasted. Light bulb. It's hot, it's 100 watts. Odds in that condition, 1, 2. That socket takes up to 100 watts. I thought, why not? And it will be cool. From far away, you can tell the blades will work. Starting to get hot in here. I'm gonna try light bulb. Come on, guys. So it's something before I had no wall bus to school. Look, hot. Look, fuck it. Several walls. I have make this go fall with dust for a while. It's on this hot. As you can see, this motherfucker flies. Walls bit. Let me try to find the baseball plant for 2. On high, the blades were pretty good. Turn this down so it don't affect nothing. gonna do spin now. What spin now? Good. At least one, so it's back in the box. Christmas is over, but most of my shit's still up because I got so many friends who just like not my party, it's just the only shit I took down the ornaments off this stuff with the ornaments and shit on the tree and the trees sticking on there on the 50s in the fucking box. My brain pain's about to stop. Yep, it just stopped, so we'll show you. There's something I've been testing this. This is just a little bit to get to. Where is it? It's deeper into the glove than it's supposed to. There it was. Yeah. A light bulb about blinding. Well, oh, well, battery reverse. Apparently. And was just a little worse. It's definitely doing it's doing that. Swallowing this. Forgot you can't do it that because it's one of those. It's definitely swallowing this. My water in this. Definitely my water in this is unfolding. Watch out, my camera don't stop. I check out your pack because it's happened twice now. Haha, we did it. So there's a glove. Goddamn, son of a bitch. There's the glove part. This part is disgusting. But it's disgusting. It's funny to do it. The bottom part famous. We'll do it in the top was. And there's the blades. They're cleaned up nicely. They're so wood. Alright guys, you gotta get on chill for this. Oh god. Says ain't no blade brackets. These are not the problem. The blades are installed to wood. You can kinda tell. So guys, it's not the original one bracket came with it. Right there is too easy to do it. Just testing away. Companies have to buy one screw. It works okay, so. I don't think there's any tags on it, no. it'd be, oh, don't mind, I'm a dumbass. Where's that tag? I'm gonna always in the tag. I'm gonna give me a picture of the song, obviously. Where's that? 52th week of 2001? There's no way since 2001. I guess they were doing back then. Oh? Well, call it today. Where you go, I hope you have enjoyed video, like, subscribe, and have a good night sleep. Sign on to get good sleep to hit your win, because call outside.